heading off with my mom to Orlando, Florida for a few days in Disney World, followed by a Disney cruise. Let's go. We are in Charlotte for our connection and just got some Panera, and our flight to Orlando leaves in about 15 minutes. Yay. Our plan for the day once we get there is to drop our bags at the hotel and then head off to the parks right away to make the most of our first day.
Woohoo! We're here! Okay, we'll be on the monorail tomorrow. We're here and we are just waiting on our Uber. Literally walked off to get our bags and then they were right there. Uber was easy to grab and now we're off to the hotel. Hello from Orlando. We are at our hotel. It's amazing, and we are about to get on the bus to go over to Hollywood Studios.
It's currently 3:30 and we'll hopefully be to the parks by 4:15.
Got the double-decker bus. Top level, all to ourselves. Check it out. Hear the music. We made it! Yay! Hollywood! First plan of action is food, but maybe then we'll go, because that's the Runaway Railway ride up there, up ahead. And I know we've never done that one.
Okay.
We've never done Slinky Dog.
Okay.
We can do Star Wars, Rock and Roller Coaster, Tower of Terror. Okay, but food first.
We are so hungry, so we are heading to Toy Story Land in search of Woody's Lunchbox.
Woody's Lunchbox? Woody's Lunchbox, I think. Ah, Woody's Lunchbox, right here. There we go. Yay! Got it?
Finally trying the famous grilled cheese sandwich. Now let's ride some rides.
Okay, shall we? Yeah. Our first ride! Yay! How cute is that? All aboard! Oh wow! We lost the trains!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls!
Oh my gosh! Oh wow! I know!
Everyone to your positions. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent.
The best seat in the house. Loved it. That was fun. Okay, we're doing Tower of Terror now because Slinky Dog was a long wait, and Tower of Terror is 25-minute wait. So we're gonna be brave. My heartbeat right now is just gone up.
Probably scream.
Yeah. Amazing. We did it. We survived the Twilight Zone. My legs are jelly.
We got ourselves a little treat after that, some Mickey bars.
Yay! Ice cream time. Oh my gosh, where am I going? Doesn't get much better than this, if you ask me.
No, free.
Mm-hmm.
Everything almost.
Pretty much. Got to use some coupons.
Now, on to the main event of our day. The one thing we actually plan to do is to see Fantasmic tonight. So we're heading there just a little bit early to make sure we get a really good spot for the show.
We are seeing Fantasmic. Got a really good seat. Yay!
Magic Kingdom this morning. Just went to the little coffee shop in the hotel to grab some coffee and a croissant. Had this while we were getting ready, and now we're about to head out the door and go to the parks. Plan today is to do Magic Kingdom and take the monorail over to Epcot. I didn't finish out the vlog last night, but we had the absolute best day yesterday in Hollywood Studios, and seeing Fantasmic was just the absolute highlight. Like, it's a must do. It's so good. I just loved it. Okay.
We're here in Magic Kingdom. Gorgeous.
Okay, here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow in fantasy.
Let's get in it. So good. Yes. The castle. Oh, that breeze is so good. We just got to Tomorrowland and we are going to ride Tron. This is our first time riding Tron ever, and the wait's only 50 minutes at the moment, so that's exciting. Wow. You ready? So much fun. So glad that we did that. So worth the wait, too. Churro and coffee. Nothing is better. Here, get your churro in there. Boom. Where are we going?
Tiana's thing or no?
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to ride Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We just paused for a little photo shoot after our churro and coffee. But this will probably be our last one for Magic Kingdom. We'll go to Epcot? Yeah, last one before we go to Epcot. Here we go, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Oh, yeah. We're starting to dry off from the sun. We just got some frozen bananas. That's our last ride for Magic Kingdom. And now we're gonna go head over to Epcot. See you there. Wow. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, here we go. Yay! We're here at the Flower and Garden Festival. 30 years. We've just gotten into Epcot. I have my flower shirt on, which is kind of perfect for like the Flower and Garden Festival.
The topiaries this year are so beautiful. I actually was here this time last year for costume fittings before my last cruise contract. So it's really special to be back again and see what's new.
Cutie. Getting our first drink, we're getting an elderflower cucumber margarita. Thank you. Oh, amazing. Thank you so much. Yay, cheers. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, let's get some food.
We got some nachos. World Showcase, we are going to soar around the world and go ride Soarin'.
We just went and rode Soarin', and now Mom's grabbing a street corn on the cob. Looks pretty good. Check it out. Wow, that looks great.
No napkin?
Oh, do you want me to get your napkin? Little taste test.
It's all vegan.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
I can only eat
Oh
half of
wow.
the other half.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay, good.
That's so good. It has vegan Parmesan. It's all plant-based.
We're in Canada and we're grabbing our next drink.
Espresso martini. Okay, the band has just started playing. We got the tunes, we got the espresso martini.
We found the perfect place here in the Canada Pavilion to sit and enjoy the music and our drink before we take a lap around the World Showcase.
Home sweet home. Back in jolly old England. Got the sangria. Yoo-hoo! And right behind this is the Lego.
We're stopping here for a little Italian margarita. And we're also going to grab a slice of pizza.
Full journey around the world. It's been amazing. And now we're gonna head over to Disney Springs to kind of wrap up the night. Kind of having an earlier night because tomorrow we get on the ship. Just got to Disney Springs in time for the sunset. You can see the hot air balloon from here. I think you can ride it. Oh, look at how gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. We took the bus from Epcot to Saratoga Springs and then got off at the 4th bus stop because it's a huge resort, but it puts you out like literally right at Disney Springs, so it's perfect. You can do the little car boats. That's so, it does look so deep in the water. Wow, there's 3 of them. Look, there's a green one, a red one, a blue one. Wow. Yay! Hey! That's so cool.
They look like they're gonna drown.
They do look like they're gonna drown. And we're here. Welcome to Disney Springs. And there's the dragon.
After wandering around Springs a bit, we've come to the boathouse for dinner. It's pretty busy, so we're sat outside on the dock, but it's just perfect for us. It's a gorgeous night.
Oh, deliciousness.
I'm going to wrap up the vlog here, but tomorrow we get on board the Disney Wish, so I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!